Have you ever looked at a succulent, those quiet, spiky little guardians, and wondered what secrets they're hiding beneath their calm, steady green? What if I told you that some of them are living double lives? Beneath their simple exteriors lies the power to explode into color, to transform your space with unexpected, breathtaking blooms. These 7 easy-to-grow succulents don't just survive, they surprise. And once you see what they can do, you'll never look at your plant shelf the same way again. The Flaming Katy may look modest at first, but when the time is right, it puts on a show that's impossible to ignore. In late winter or early spring, this little powerhouse erupts into clusters of red, orange, pink, or yellow flowers. Bright, cheerful, and long-lasting. All it asks for is bright light and just enough water to keep it happy. It's the kind of plant that rewards your patience with a months-long carnival of color. Then there's the moss rose. Humble, yes, but hiding a sun-soaked secret. Give it plenty of direct light and it will respond with a cascade of vibrant rose-like blooms that last all summer long. When the sun sets, its flowers close, as if guarding something precious, only to open again with the morning light. It's one of nature's simplest yet most stunning performances. The hardy ice plant is a survivor in every sense. It thrives where others give up, dry, rocky, sunny places, and yet it rewards you with an explosion of daisy-like blooms in brilliant pinks and purples. These resilient flowers appear in its very first year, carpeting the plant in shimmer and color all through summer. It's proof that beauty often hides behind toughness. The desert rose carries an air of mystery. With its thick sculptural stem, it looks ancient, almost wise. But when it decides to bloom, it reveals something extraordinary. Trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of pink, red, or white burst forth, giving it a bold, dramatic look. It may take a year or two of quiet waiting, but when those blooms arrive, they're nothing short of breathtaking. If you love a splash of warmth and color, Senecio fulgens is your secret ally. This cheerful succulent produces bright orange flowers that look like tiny bursts of sunshine. It may take a year or two, but once it settles in with bright and direct light, the rewards are vibrant and long-lasting. It's the kind of bloom that makes you smile every time you pass by. The Crown of Thorns may look fierce with its spines and thick stems, but behind that tough appearance lies a constant, colorful heart. Its small, bright red, pink, or yellow flowers bloom year-round, no matter the season. Sun or shade, it doesn't matter. This plant keeps blooming as if defying the odds. A symbol of resilience that never fails to impress. And finally, the Aloe Vera, a familiar face with an unexpected twist. Everyone knows it for its soothing gel, but few realize it's also capable of sending up elegant spikes of yellow or orange flowers. It may take a few years, but once it happens, the transformation is mesmerizing. Those tall tubular blooms not only attract pollinators, but also add sculptural beauty to your space, proving that even the most common plants have hidden depths. So, the next time you pass by a succulent, don't underestimate it. Beneath that calm exterior, there's a performer waiting for its cue. These plants don't just sit pretty, they bloom with purpose, revealing secrets of patience, resilience, and beauty. If you're ready to uncover more hidden plant wonders, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because in the world of plants, there's always another secret waiting to bloom.